Hi, this video cast is a quick overview of what's new in terms of promotion in Affino 5.5. And the most important aspect in this release has obviously been the SEO. It's what we've been working on for the last 6 months. And there's a separate SEO video cast, and that goes much more into detail what the individual elements that we've done, and you can always also see much more in the release notes. But this graph represents for us, quite a big deal. Now, here's a previous phase of Emojo.com. This was until the summer. We hadn't been putting too much effort into the SEO, and we actually put in a protracted 6-week effort to really boost the ranking on Emojo and get us listed on some of the key directories and get us up there essentially. And that worked brilliantly. But it was a lot of effort over a 6-week period. Then you can see we didn't really do anything, and Affino was kind of in stasis. It went down obviously a fair bit, and this is pretty much a logarithmic scale, so it went down a lot more than it would appear to have gone down. But then when we rolled out the latest version, we shot right up to our highest ever ranking, and we pretty much did nothing except implement the new features in Affino 5.5 and let the natural SEO take place. So there was no new content added, really very little changes in what we did. And but so you can see the effect of that. Now the key thing is that the end result is that all our content is indexed that much better on Affino, and as a result it's indexed better within Google. You get the friendly titles, teasers, all the URLs are now, or the key URLs I should say, on pretty much all the content are SEO friendly, and it means that when things are coming up, it's presented in a very nice way. Now, we've carried that right through to every single article and every single media item as well. Now here, I know this is a video that was uploaded by somebody on our website, Stefan namely, and Little Boots New in Town. Now the top entry is Last FM, the second entry is on Emojo.com, and if we go and look at that, this is just a media item, and here he's uploaded a YouTube video. So the entry on Emojo.com has ranked higher than on YouTube, which is quite funny. And if you look at the SEO effectiveness, you can see that the title is there, the URL is there, and basically it's just a very SEO friendly way of presenting a particular content. Now, the second key element that we've done is the dashboard. Now this is pretty universal, but we've got a small number of actual promotion widgets now where you can see the main subscriptions, the campaigns that you're running. Now all our campaigns here are flex based, and we've yet to turn on the tracking within that, but that's now just a one-click operation, so I'm sure we'll be doing that soon. And you can see new subscriptions to newsletters and unsubscriptions over a period of time, so you can track these things very effectively. And but obviously the key benefit is that you get all the other 50 widgets that are available for tracking any success within your campaign, where people are coming from, the number of page views, the most popular content, people that are signing up for a particular campaign or particular aspect. I mean, you name it, you can now track it, and you can track it all through tailored tabs within your eBusiness dashboard. And you can set up, so I want to add a tab, I can create a new campaign tab, and then within that I can add widgets to say track new subscriptions or track media that's uploaded, say show me the top articles within this particular campaign, and you can do that by dragging the articles widget and then focusing on the channel, say that you had that particular campaign in, and it will show you just the details for that, and you can tweak the time frame, tweak the presentation, and there's lots of options in how you can actually drill down and nail exactly what's going on. Now the other thing that we've done is we've introduced a number of new design elements, and you can see some of them in the different video casts that we've done for other areas. Now I think I've got some of them highlighted down here. Let me just page this quickly. Yeah, great new design element if you're running an event is the countdown, so you can count down to any event now. We've got the ability to highlight top 10s. It's just an update of the listing, but you can now structure content in a different way, highlight the sequence that it's in, and present, and sort by the most popular content. We also introduced the new um, updated tips, so you can navigate within tips. Previously, you could have it static, dynamic, but now you can add the additional level, dynamic plus navigation. So we improved on a lot of the way the design elements are presented. The most significant one being the carousel. So check out the e-commerce updates for that. The carousel itself can be used anywhere, and so there's but beyond that, we've improved the presentation throughout. I mean, a simple look at, say, the blogs gets you an idea for how the overall shape has changed in Affino 5.5. We're now showcasing content a lot better. So I'm looking at a blog and we have a big image. The way we present the bookmarks is a lot more flexible. The fact that every page has got its own friendly URL, not just any old URL. We also got heading information within the interface, both on the main article and in the listing. So here we've got more spacing, and so depending on the view that you're looking at, we really tailor the interface to present things in the best possible way, and obviously that will increase the effectiveness of any promotion that you're running.